We need to be doing well. The DDE we have a badge here company and
So nandito tayo guys sa Buriram National Airport guys. Ay! So ayan. So punta na kami doon sa loob ng airport. Mainit, grabe. Dalawang grupo. Kulik ka magdadrive. Uy, baliktad. Baliktad dito. Hindi ako mabubuhay dito guys. Mababangga ako.
Same.
Yeah, same. Oh.
Now,
you hear that every day?
Thailand many.
Yeah.
Thailand so many.
Kalibutay na, hindi ako mabubuhay dito. Babangga ako.
In Philippines. Philippines. There's other road.
Have you been in Philippines, sir?
You went to Philippines? No. Tomorrow we find Ladyboy.
You like Ladyboy?
Him only.
Grabe guys, wave. Nasa basura lang. International Circuit.
Everyone posting YouTuber already. But in Philippines, when you say YouTuber, Facebook.
G-Max, kalabanin na natin to. Ikaw mag-drive, kikita ako. Ayan guys, gusto niyo bang manalo? Link in the comment section down below. Yan, paldo!